Dear me, good morning. Today I want to talk to you how to have a better life without sickness, especially without coldness or flu. And in these days that we have the coronavirus around the world, it's very important to keep healthy, especially healthy body. One of the easiest things to do is to eat well. Remember that the health of your gut is the most important in order to be healthy physically in the body. And the gut stimulates and produces 75% of all your immunology. Therefore, it's very important to keep the gut healthy. So, in a weekly basis, to drink any yogurt, a live yogurt is very important. Here at home, we're doing every Wednesday, we have delivery of live yogurt, and we have every week one day of live yogurt. And the other thing that you can do is to cook specific food that is very powerful for antiviral. I'm going to show you how to cook a sauce made with spring onions. Have a look. Spring onions, garlic, fresh spring onions, kombucha is the tea of kombu, and olive oil or sesame oil. So what you need to do is just with the spring onions, just cut them very small. It's important that the garlic, you use it with the garlic, you grate it. It takes much powerful taste of garlic. Then mix it with 2 spoons of combucha, and then add the oil, either the sesame oil or either the olive oil. If you're gonna use the olive oil, use the normal oil. Don't use the extra virgin. Extra virgin oil will give it a taste of bitterness at the end because it's a very powerful oil. So just to mild the taste. Dear me, if you cannot find any kombucha tea, don't panic. 1 spoon of sea salt, all right? And that will calm down the powerness of the garlic and the spring onion. It doesn't give you a smell of onions at the end. You can put it on the tomato salads, you can put it on the salads, on cold potato salad, it will be delicious. And you can mix it when you eat that lovely beef that you eat in the United Kingdom. Just have that beef with a little bit of that. Just add 1 spoon or 2 and you will see that your whole body gets much better, very powerful.